I am Siddharth from class 9. My project name is Automatic Street Light. An energy efficient system that uses a LDR, light dependent resistor, to deflect ambient light, automatically turning on at sunset and off at sunrise. Key components. This is LDR, this is transistor and this is resistor. This is a battery, here that's connector. Here two LED bulbs. Advantages of automatic street light is energy savings, automation, low cost, simple and easy to implement. It is used in public street lighting, garden, campus lighting and security light that are active at night time. In daytime, the transistor to stop current and keep the light off. In night time, the light automatically turning on with the help of triggered relay. In daytime, there is no light will be on. In night time, the light will be automatically turning on. Thank you.
My dearest viewers, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க,